Hey guys, welcome to my channel, Enchanted Ways. I am Danielle, and this video is something I almost forgot to do. It's a mini Amazon haul, a witchy haul, some things that I got, and I just want to show them to you all. So, first off, this is a bracelet that I wear all the time, so that's why it's already out of the box. It just says bracelet in the description, but I call it a chakra bracelet because that's what it looks like to me. It's really pretty. I wear this too a lot, so it's out. This necklace, it's not real gold, and I'm assuming this is faux leather. It's nice, and it's just, well, I had to tie the knot because it just comes. Ready for you to do whatever to it. So, I was going through the kit because I already attempted to record this and I didn't like how it came out. So, this is the box. Beverly Oaks, based out in California, I believe. Bubble wrap on top, and the necklace came in this little pouch. Have 3 Palo Santo sticks. Haven't used these yet. I've been using some incense that I got, and I've just fallen in love with some African violet incense that I have. So I still need to use this and try this, but I'm going to save this for the new home. Why waste some good Palo Santo and some good white sage bundle tied together with some deep red and white thread. But, you know, why waste some good Palo Santo and white sage on a house that I'm about to move out of? Well, I took this out of its pouch. This is a little black velvet pouch. It's a cheap pouch, but whatever. This came inside chakra healing set, and then on the back it tells you the chakras, the stone that is associated with the chakra, and these are the stones. This is the pouch. So you have yellow, peach, green, aventurine, lapis lazuli, blue aventurine, and red jasper. Try to put this back in the pouch with one hand. Let's see. I did it. Okay. You can do things with one hand when you have 4 children. I don't know about this card though. We're gonna try that with 2 hands. Okay, so got some chunks in here too, and everything is on a bed of these little yellow crinkles. But we have a chunk of amethyst. No, the lighting isn't good in here. Some citrine, but it looks better in this video than it does the last video. This is a dark house. Some pyrite, aka fool's gold. A chunk of raw rose quartz. It's a nice sized chunk. Really nice crystals. A geode. I wish it had more detail, but this is all it says. Geode. And a clear quartz obelisk. Okay, so that's that, you guys. And again, the bracelet and the necklace came in this kit. I also got this Barbieri, I don't know if I'm pronouncing it correctly, Zodiac Oracle. That's who the artwork is by. Truly, that's the only person that really needs to be mentioned. The booklet is written by Barbara Moore. Okay, this is the booklet, and it would be probably only a few pages if it was only in English. So it's only thick like this because it's in 5 different languages. You more than likely would have more extensive notes on the zodiac, the planets, which this includes the sun and the moon as planets like some systems do, and the elements. You more than likely have more information in your Book of Shadows on those things than this booklet has. It's still a cute booklet. It's still useful if you don't have any kind of knowledge of the zodiac, the elements, and the planets. Fine. But I like my booklets to be like this, and the entire thing is on however many cards is in here, and it's not thick because 4 other languages is included. It's thick because a lot of information is included. So that's the only drawback, but the artwork is absolutely beautiful. And I do like, because I have small hands, that the cards are smaller than most oracle cards, so they're easier to shuffle, and the artwork is really cool. Let me show you some of my favorite cards. Let's see. Well, let's just do 3. Cancer, that's a really cool card and really cute. I like that. Taurus, this is really neat. Look at the face. Isn't that neat? I really like that. And this is really neat for Aquarius. The water pouring out of the heads. I like that. So the artwork is stunning, quite frankly. So it makes up for any lack in the book. And so you're supposed to get to the point where you're doing intuitive readings anyway, but I just enjoy to read. Enjoy reading, and I enjoy reading the book. So that was disappointing, but whatever. 2 books. Grimoire of a Kitchen Witch by Rachel Patterson. I'm about halfway done. I finished this already. The Green Witch by Aaron, A-R-I-N, Murphy-Hiscock. Your complete guide to the natural magic of herbs, flowers, essential oils, and more. So, I like it. It's kind of a drier read than Grimoire of a Kitchen Witch. Her personality is more prevalent in Grimoire of a Kitchen Witch than Aaron's. But I do like the information in the Green Witch a little bit more, because, not because I don't like Grimoire of a Kitchen Witch, it's just, I feel it's rushed. Like, it leaves you wanting a lot more. Not just more, a lot more. The chapters are very short, and it covers a whole bunch. So it's like a taste of the world. But I want more of the world. But I still enjoy the book. And it's still something I will turn to because it covers so much. So that's it, you guys. This video is longer because it needs to be longer. But my other videos I'm still keeping short. So, as promised. So, thank you all for watching. Stay tuned, share, like, subscribe, hit the notification bell, and thank you for watching. Bye.